Yesterday, guys, we were selling this. So what happened? The price broke above our resistance, went on to hit the bullish target. The overall trend was bearish. So after doing a deeper correction, guys, the price came back down again and went on to hit a bearish target. So I was selling this. So guys, today what are we going to do? That is the main question, and the answer is quite simple. Let's go to the 15-minute, guys. For today, guys, as long as the price stays below this swing high, I think this is making another high, a lower high, and we have a big move down. But okay, let's just mark this, I guess. Yup. As long as, guys, the price stays below 1.35099, guys, I am bearish, and my target would be the previous swing low located at 1.34783. Okay, guys. And guys, if the price breaks above it, then my targets guys would be 1.35313 and 1.35442. So overall, the trend would remain bearish. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.